my name is Holly and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making one of the most vibrant tropical flowers, the Plumeria flower. Now, as someone who loves to learn the meaning behind absolutely everything, I just couldn't help myself. I had to dig a little bit deeper into this one, and what I found was so beautiful because these flowers carry a rich history and a lot of meaning. In ancient Polynesian culture, the Plumeria blossoms were used in love rituals, and in many parts of the world they've also symbolized the soul's journey because the Plumeria flower is believed to be the flower of the afterlife and are often used in temple offerings to symbolize the spiritual connection. And this is because of the plant's ability to drop all of its leaves and to seemingly die, only to blossom again in its vibrant colours, and that led people to see it as a symbol of resurrection, renewal, and the soul's eternal journey of death, rest, and rebirth. But many of us know that plumerias are often used in Hawaiian culture to make lei, which are the beautiful garlands that go around the neck, and they're given to celebrate, welcome, or honour someone. But something I didn't know is that it's also Hawaiian tradition for women to wear the Plumeria flower behind the ear on either the left side or the right side to show whether they're in a relationship or not. And I thought that's such a feminine and subtle way to show something that's so personal. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you knew any of that. And moving on, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own giant crepe paper Plumeria flower. We will be using 180 grams crepe paper, which gives the petals structure and shape, and you will need less than 1 roll per flower depending on the size you choose. I have made 2 or more from 1 roll of crepe paper. To give it that realistic soft gradient effect, we'll also be using acrylic spray paints. And if you do decide to take the template, it includes 4 different sizes, so you can create a full arrangement like this one if you want to. Today we will be making size 1, which is this one here, and it's about 40 centimeters wide, and the download also includes a leaf pattern to complete the look. But before we dive in, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. And if you enjoy projects like this and how I'm teaching how to use creativity as a tool for wellness, then please don't forget to sign up to my newsletter. And now, if you're ready, let's make some plumerias together. To get started, you will need scissors, a paper clamp, a glue gun, glue sticks, tape, any tape will do, wire, bamboo stick, or just bundle some wire together, a ruler, napkin tissue, crepe paper, 180 grams, I'm using the colour lilac today, and you'll also need some green crepe paper for the sepals. You'll also need your template or use the measurements provided for the first size, and something to protect your work surface. I'm also using acrylic spray paints in yellow and purple, but feel free to choose your own colours. Open up your crepe paper roll and grab your template. Use the template as a guide and cut out 5 strips. You will need 5 petals in total for this flower. If you don't have the template, use the measurements provided. Secure the template to the crepe paper with a paper clamp to keep things steady, and then cut out your petals. Now it's time to bring our petals to life by adding some colour. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated space and that you protect your work surface. Plumerias usually have two tones, so I'm going for a soft yellow in the centre and a deeper purple on the tips. This combination gives the flower a more realistic and vibrant look. Acrylic spray paint works beautifully on crepe paper. Just go lightly and let them dry before the next step, which usually takes about 10 minutes or so. Once your petals are dry, it's time to reinforce them so that they hold their shape. Take a piece of wire and line it up along the center of the petal, leaving about 2 centimeters exposed at the bottom. Run a line of hot glue all the way down the wire, making sure there's enough glue, and then fold the petal in half over the wire. Gently press along the fold to seal it, and once cooled, open the petal back out. You do not need to place your wire all the way to the top. Place it about 3/4 of the way up. Continue to repeat the process for all petals. To give your petals the correct shape, add a horizontal line of glue about 2 centimeters from the bottom of the petal. Now fold both sides inwards to create a little pleat and press it down gently with your thumb. Just be careful with the hot glue. Once it's secure, bend the petal backwards slightly to give it that soft, natural curve, and repeat the process for all 5 petals. Now let's bring our beautiful flower together. Grab your bamboo stick and a scrap piece of paper from the crepe paper left over from the petals. Use a bit of glue and wrap it around the top of the stick. Now begin attaching the petals one at a time using tape to secure them. Angle each petal slightly and overlap them so that each new petal sits just in front of the last one. Keep going until all 5 petals are in place and your flower is blooming. Before moving on to the sepal, once your flower is secure, turn it over and give the center one final light mist of yellow spray paint. This will add a beautiful depth to the center and will complete the look. Now let's add the sepal. To finish it off neatly at the back, fold 2 pieces of napkin tissue, glue them together, then wrap them around the base of the flower, securing it with hot glue. Next, cut a square of green crepe paper, about 8 × 8 centimeters. Fold 1 centimeter at the top backwards using your ruler, then flip it upside down and curve it gently inwards using your thumbs. Wrap this around the base of the flower to cover the napkin tissue and to form the sepal. Secure it with glue.
And here it is, our finished Plumeria flower. So now that you know the technique, you can create a full arrangement with leaves and all those beautiful tropical colours. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. Please share this with someone who also loves Plumeria flowers, and don't forget to tag me in all your creations because I absolutely love seeing them. And I will see you soon in the next one. Bye guys!